Ready to transform your videos from ordinary to extraordinary with mind-bending visual effects. Alright, let's dive into compositing in Adobe After Effects. This tutorial will guide you through the basics and a couple of neat tricks to get you started. Compositing is all about layering and blending elements to create illusions, After Effects, and some footage one with something you want to keep. Let's begin. First, you'll open After Effects and create a new project and import your footage. Let's create the person walking on top of the park. Already drag your background footage onto the timeline. Then your subject footage on top. They should now be stacked. Now, let's say you want to remove some that elements. If your footage has a clean background like this shot here, we can make the subject appear like it's a silhouette. To make this compositing work, you can do this by enabling a track map. By enabling this setting, we remove a bunch of the background information around the subject. Next, let's enhance the blend by using some masking tools. After getting used to the masking tool, you can further refine the edges of your subject. Play with the opacity and scale of the subject layer to match the scene. You can fine-tune the edges, adjusting the mask, feather, and expansion tools. This step helps to create a final perfect effect. To finish, add some color enhancement on top of the whole scene. This method should give your composite a more unified look. Be brave and use this technique in a project you might have right now. Compositing unlocks a world of possibilities. Keep experimenting and have fun.